in Murder Mystery 2. My parents are from Jamaica, and today I'm sharing some of my favorite parts of my Jamaican culture with you. This is Rep Your Flag. My favorite Jamaican food, oxtail. It's not oxtails, it's oxtail. My favorite Jamaican musician, spice. 100% spice. My favorite type of Jamaican music to dance to, I mean all of it, but dancehall obviously, because spice. I love Portland, Port Antonio. Portland is my favorite parish in Jamaica. It's lush, it's gorgeous, I love it. I just love it there. There are so many funny Jamaican expressions, but I guess a really funny thing is that my daughter now speaks like a Jamaican woman, and her favorite thing to say is, no sir. It's gonna have to be Belly. It's not really a Jamaican movie, but just the way Hype Williams did that whole Jamaica portion was just like incredible filmmaking. For me, that's the first one that pops in my head. Oh yeah, if your hand goes scratching you, you're gonna get money. I love that one. Every time I'm like, ooh, money, it's coming, I'm ready. The thing is that Jamaica is obviously the best Caribbean island. I mean, the energy and spirit of Jamaican people and the food and the music. Tiny island, so influential. It's Jamaica. I love it. Perhaps this isn't just Jamaican culture, but you need to know that it's not plantain, it's plantain. The other thing I need people to know about Jamaican culture, it's not rice and beans, it's rice and peas. That's it, just very simple things. Shout out to all my Jamaicans across the diaspora. If you're proud to be Jamaican, drop your flag in the comments. And don't forget to check out Murder Mystery 2.